Mrs. Main says that she can find the number of cats Mr. Main has left using subtraction or addition. Show 2 ways that Mrs. Main can solve this problem. So here's what you're going to have to do. This is going to take some thinking. On the problem you just did before this, here, on the problem you just did before it over here, you created a number sentence, right? That was one of the things you're supposed to do. Maybe you did an addition sentence, which is plus, or maybe you did a subtraction sentence, which is minus. Whatever number sentence you have from the slide before, I want you to write it on the next slide on Pear Deck, and then also use those same 3 numbers to turn it into subtraction. So if you have the number sentence 2 plus 1 equals 3, you'll turn that into a subtraction sentence by writing 3 minus 2 equals 1. So notice how I'm using the same 3 numbers each time. 2, 1, and 3. 2, 1, and 3. They're the same numbers. The only thing you need to do on this slide is on this problem is take the number sentence that you wrote from the last problem and turn it around to either addition or subtraction, okay? If you already have plus, you'll make it a minus. If you already have minus, you're going to make it a plus sentence.